room tour of Excellence Playa Mujeres. This is the base level swim out room. We did not book Excellence Club this time around. Bathroom here has your closet room, or your water closet room. There's a door on the shower here with a full bench. You have shampoos, conditioners, shower gels. Then you've also got, whoa, swing you around there, this nice rainfall shower head, your basin sinks, nice mirrors. This is see-through into the rest of the suite. Some shelves there. Across the way, you do have a little walk-in closet with a steamer. These are pretty nice steamers. We enjoy those. Safe, some drawers for storage, robes. The room has an umbrella in case of rain, which is nice. In this base level room, you do have your fully stocked mini bar. If you stay Excellence Club, you do get a little bit upgraded liquor bottles. However, those are perfectly fine. Swing on around here to show you the back side of the mirrors. The sun there is a nice touch. The rest of the room, you've got some drawers with storage, lounger. This tub area is inside, so it is temperature controlled. However, there is a window so you can see outside, but it does have the curtain there to give you a little bit of privacy. The door has, the sliding door here has this locking mechanism, so you can play that at night. Tons of privacy here, a lot of mature growth. Beautiful scenery. And this room is here on the lazy river portion. It's building 5.